Mr. B here again, bringing another math video. This one on finding the equation or the relation from a table of values. So you've got a table here given to you, and one of the things that you might be asked to do is find the relationship or the equation or the relation that represents this particular situation. So the first thing I usually do is check this first column, which is called the independent variable, or n in our case. I just made up some random variables for it, and check and see what's happening. So this guy is going up by 1 each time, which is what we want to happen. So it's going up by 1 each time. And if you look at the C column here, the dependent variable, this guy is going up by 3 each time. So that's really the most important thing, is what's happening to our dependent variable. So our cost is equal to 3n. So every time that n increases by 1, the cost is going up by 3. So this is where this comes from. But usually we have to add or subtract a number on this to get it to work out. So the question is, what number? So I'm just going to pick a point. I'm going to pick the first point. I'm going to pick 1 and 7. So I know the cost should be 7 when n is 1. So I put my 1 here, so 3 times 1. So I know I need to add something to here to get 7. So 3 plus what gives me 7? Well, of course, that question mark there is 4. 4 will work there. So let me just erase that question mark, and I'll put 4. So that gives me the relationship C is equal to 3n plus 4. Now let's check and see if this works for another point. So let's just try for 2. So C is equal to 3 times 2 plus 4. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So that works. So this is the relation that's represented by the table that we have. Let me just try another one. Let me just clear this off. And let me just make one up real quick here. So again, I'll use x and y this time. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this guy is going up by 1 each time, just like that. And this time, you notice what's happening is that it's not going up, it's going down by 2 each time. Just like that. So we start out the same way. We start with our dependent y is equal to whatever's happening here, so negative 2x. So that means that for every time x increases by 1, y goes down by 2. So I'll pick a point. I'll choose a different one this time. Let me choose the last one here, 5, 5. So if I put 5 in for y, and then I take my x to be 5, I have plus some question mark here that we're not sure on. So that's 5 is equal to negative 10 plus some question mark here. So I need negative 10 plus what gives me 5. So negative 10 plus 15 gives me 5. So that question mark is 15 right there. So that's what I'll have to add onto this guy. So there's my relation. So now you can check that to make sure you did that correct by picking another point. So I'll choose 1 and 13 this time. So if I choose y is equal to negative 2 times 1 plus 15, so that's negative 2 plus 15, and that guy gives me 13. So we're good. That works out. There's my 13. So guys, I hope this video helps you sort of sort your way through some linear relations and things like that. One of the really important skills is to be able to identify relationships from tables and things like that. Believe it or not, you're probably only in grade 8 or 9 doing this, and I'm still teaching the same thing to my grade 11. So it's really important to be able to do this and such things like that. So guys, hopefully this helps. I'll see you guys in class. Thanks for watching.